show you how to take out the door panel. Alright guys, so that's all you need is a couple of these trim tools and a Phillips screwdriver. So this is the passenger side door right here, taking out this door panel. I'm taking out the door panel so that show you how to do the door panel remover if you're working on the window regulator inside here or replacing the glass. So just gonna show you how to take out this door panel. Grab one of these trim tool right here, just shove it in here. So this is a 2024 Honda Civic, same thing as a 2021 and up, so just be careful, okay? Careful taking it out, be careful you don't want to scratch anything, especially if you're working on a customer's vehicle. And this vehicle right here is a parts vehicle, it's a junkyard vehicle. Alright, so you can see I got that out. There's tabs on each side right here, so pretty much it sits like this, okay? Tabs right there, and the main tabs up on the front, and then tabs on the back and the bottom. And then you unhook the wire. And there's a screw right here, just use a Phillips screwdriver. There's only one screw on this thing that holds it down, and this is the screw. And after this, we're just gonna pop this whole door out. A bunch of push pin retainers around this door panel. On the left right here, down the bottom, and then on the right. So this is the two tools that you're gonna need. So just pull it out with the tool. You don't want to use your hands because you don't want to cut yourself with this thing. Just use this and grab it and pull. Okay, see, there's a push retainer came out already. We'll put that back later when this whole door panel is out. There we go. Okay, so you can see it's loose here. Same thing on the other side. Alright, all the way up. There's tabs up here. Still, you just have to pull it out like that. There you go. Wow. Where's the door panel? There's nothing into this thing. Holy cow. This is the barrier for water that doesn't go in, or dust doesn't go in the vehicle. So here's a plastic push pin retainer. It's better to put this on the door panel instead of the door. Put it on the plastic panel over there. So better took this out. And then after that, yeah, you'll be working behind here. If you're working on the window regulator, is behind here. I'm not doing anything. The window regulator or broken glass or something, the speaker, whatever. There's a one screw right there. That's it. That's it, guys. That's how you take out the door panel. So move on. We're gonna take out the couple bolts right here on the hinge, and then this whole door will come out. Be careful with this main harness right here. We're gonna detach this harness before we take out the door.